Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.5 of playing with numbers. Question number 2. Here to different factor tree for 60. Write the missing numbers. So you can see here this is a part of question number 2. Here two different factor tree A of 60. Part A, this is a part B, you can see here, are given. So in circles we fill the missing numbers. Okay, you can see this circles. Here we find missing number, and here we also find the numbers. Okay, so how can it find? See this factor tree carefully. 6 10 ja 60 means if you multiply 6 under 10 we obtain 60. Okay, so here 2 and which numbers we multiply, then we obtain 6, or for this number you divide 6 by this number. If you divide 6 by 2 we obtain 3. So here we put, here we write 3. So 3 2 ja 6. I hope all of you understood. Now here 5, what number here we write, that we multiply to 5 we obtain 10. How do you know? We just divide 10 by 5. If we divide 10 by 5 we obtain 2. So here write it 2. Clear? So 2 5 ja 10. Okay, and now B part. Here 60 missing numbers, 30 missing number, 10 missing number, this and this. Okay, clear? So here 30 and what number here? Which numbers you multiply 30 we obtain 60. If you divide 60 by 30 we obtain 2. Okay, so here we write 2. 30 to the 60. Clear? And now here we write 2. Here this is 10. You break 30 into 2 part. You break 30 into 2 part. So one part is 10, other part is what? So for this we divide 30 by 10. If you divide 30 by 10 we obtain 3. So you write here 3. So 10 3 is 30. Clear? Now you have 2 part. We break, we factorize 10 in 2 part. So you can write here factor of 10 is 2 and 5. 2 into 5. So you write 2, here you write 5. Okay, this is our solution. So let now to write it. This is the first part. So you can write 60 is equal to 10 into 6. Clear? 10 into 6. So here 1, here 6, here 10. But 10, what is we break 10 into 2 part. 5 into 2. 5 to 10. So here 5 into 2. So you write here 2. Okay. Now this part, this is 6. So you can write 6 like this. 1 right. You can write 6 into 1 6, but here one factor is 2. So we break it 2 into 3. Clear? So 2 is here. So we put in this circle 3. Okay. So here we put 3 and here we put 2. Okay. First we break 60 into 2 parts, 6 into 10. Okay, 6 into 10 is 60. And now it break 6 into 2 part, 2 is given and 3 is not given. This is missing number. Okay, so we know that we can write 6, 2 into 3, so here 2, and so you can write here 3. And in this part 10, you know that we can write 10 is equal to 5 into 2. Okay, also we write 10 into 10 is equal to 10 is equal to 10 into 1, but okay, but here given 5, so we choose these factors. Okay, and here 5 is available, so we put here 2, we write here 2. Okay, so we find missing number of the given A part. Okay, and okay, now in B part, this is B part. So this is 60, you can write 60 many type 15 4 is 60. Okay, 15 4 is 60, 23 is 60, but one part is here given 30, so you write it 30 into 2. Okay, so in here 30, so you can write here 2. You can also write 60 is equal to 20 into 3, but here it's given 30, so we use this factor. Okay, now 30, it break 32 part, 10 into something, the number is missing, so 30, we know that 10 3 are 30. Also we write here 30 is equal to 5 into 6, but here given 10, so we select this factor. Okay, so we write here 3. Okay, if you divide 30 by 10, so we obtain 3. Also you can write 3. Here 60 given, so here 30, here nothing, and this is a missing number, so if you divide 60 by 30, we obtain 2. Clear? And here you can see here 10, you break it 2 part, both part are missing, so you can write 10 is equal to 2 into 5. Okay, also write 10 is equal to 10 into 1. Okay, so here put 2 5. Clear? This is a factor tree. 60, we can break 60 more way, like you can see here beyond the question. 60, break it 15 in 4. Okay, also you can write 50 3 or 5. You can write 4 break in 2 part 2. This is a factor tree. Okay, if you want to break another way, you can see like here, this is 60, break it in the form of 20 into 3, 60. You can break it 4 into 5. Also you can break it 2 into 2. This is called prime factorization. Okay, by factor 3. This is called prime factorization by factor 3. So one question arises here, what is prime factorization? Student, what is prime factorization? If any numbers expressed as the product of prime numbers, if any number expressed as in the form of in the product of prime factor, is called prime factorization. Let's see, suppose here 60 given. 60 is a composite number. Okay, if you break it in the form of prime number, product of prime number, so you can write it 6 into 10. This is not factorization, because you can see here both are composite numbers. This is factorization, but not prime factorization. So because this is composite numbers. Okay, if you write 6 2 into 3, okay, both are prime factor, both are prime number, so this is prime factorization of 6. And into 10 2 into 5, you can write 10 2 into 5 in the form of prime numbers. Okay, so you can see here 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 are prime factorization of 60, because we write 60 in the form of in the product of prime numbers. Okay, you can see in more numbers. 15 is a composite number. If you write the 15 in the product of prime number, this is called prime factorization. So you can write 15 3 into 5. You can see here 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, the product of two prime number. Okay, so 15 you can write 3 into 5. This is called prime factorization of a number. Clear? So our question here to find missing number. Okay, so here you find missing number 2 and 3, and in the second part 2 3. Here this is a missing number, this is also missing number, this is also missing number, and this is also missing number. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. Now we are going to solve question number 3. Here question number 3, which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? Okay, so think which factor is not included. First we need to know what is prime factorization and what is composite number. So student, in previous video I discussed what is composite number, prime number, co-prime numbers, types of number you can say. Okay, so what is composite numbers? A number which have more than two factors is called composite number. Okay, and what is prime factorization? A number expressed in the form expressed the product of prime factor is called prime factorization. Okay, question is here, which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? First we find the factor of any numbers, and after this we find the prime factorization of that composite numbers. Okay, so let's we let 6. This is a composite number. Okay, so first we find factor of 6. Factor of 6. What are the factors of 6? All those numbers who divide 6, they are factor of 6. Okay, so first 1 divide every number, so 1 is the factor of every numbers. After this 1 divide 6, 2 divide 6, 2 is the factor of 6. Okay, and 3 divides 6, 3 is the factor of 6, and 6 divides 6, so 6 is the factor of 6. Okay, but we discuss here prime factorization, means prime numbers. Okay, so you can see here both are prime numbers. Okay, clear? And which factors are not included? Okay, so factor of 6 is equal to, what is factor of 6? Factorization of 6 in the form of prime numbers, you can write it 3. Okay, so you can see here 1 is not included. Okay, because 1 is not prime numbers but factor of 6. Okay, so 1 is a factors are not included prime factorization of the composite numbers. Okay, so answer is 1. So our answer is 1. Okay, if you take another number, prime composite number, you take 15. So 15 we can write in the product of prime number 3 into 5. Okay, but factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15 itself. Okay, but in the form of prime numbers. Okay, so we write 3 into 5. So 1 is not included. Okay, because 1 is the factor of every number, so 1 is not included in prime factorization. Clear? Now we are going to discuss question number 4. This is a question number 4. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. I hope all of you understood terms of prime factors. Okay, it means that write any composite number in the product of prime numbers. Okay, for example, 6 is a composite number. Okay, so you can write 6 is equal to 2 into 3. This is prime factors. Okay, you can say prime factorization. So what is the greatest 4-digit number? I hope all of you know. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, now we write it in the product of prime factors. Let's see how to write it or how to express it. Now first we write greatest 4-digit number. Okay, so the greatest 4-digit number greatest 4-digit number is equal to 9999. Okay, now we express is 9999 in the form of prime factors. So prime factors के लिए we choose two methods. We have two methods, by factor tree, by SCF method. Look here, we use factor tree 9999. Okay, so first prime factor is 3. If you divide 9999, okay, so we obtain here what? 3333. Now we break it in prime factors. If you divide this number by 3, so we obtained what? Tell me. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. So 1111. Okay, now on which prime numbers we can divide it? Tell me. 11. Simply we can say 11. If we divide it by 11, we obtain here 11 1 ja 11, 11 ja 11. So what we write here? 11 1 ja 11, 1. 11 1 ja 11. 11 we write here? No, 101. Clear? I hope all of understood. This is clear. This is the prime factors of 4-digit number, greatest 4-digit numbers. Okay, so we write here prime factors of the prime factor factors of greatest 4-digit number, means 9999 You can write here is equal to, so 3 into 3, you can see this 3 is prime number, this is also prime number, this is not prime number, this is composite number. Okay, so you break, you can write the prime factor of 9099 is how many? 3, 2, 3, 3 into 3, 1, okay, into 11, into 11 into 101. Clear? So first we write the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. After this we break it in by factor 3 and we find the prime factors. We can also find prime factor of 9999 like this. See here, 9999. Okay, clear? First we divide only prime numbers. Okay, the first prime number is 2, so it is not divided by 2 because the unit place is not 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, yeah, this is a 9 is odd numbers. Okay, so this is not divided by 2, and this is divided by 3 because if you sum of the digit, it divisible by 3. What is the sum of the digit here? 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 is 36. 9 plus 9, 36 divisible by 3. Okay, so we divide 3. So you obtain 3 3 is 9, also 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. Okay, after this, which number 6 divides? 3333. It is also divided by 3. Okay, because sum of the number is divisible by 3. So 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12. Okay, sum of the number divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3. So divided 3 1 is 3, quotient is 1. 3 1 is 3, quotient is 1. 3 1 is 3, quotient is 1. 3 1 is 3. Okay, now we obtain 1111, for which prime number divide it. So you can see 11 11, so 11 divide it. Okay, what is the duality test of 11? And difference of the sum of even place and the sum of odd place digit is 0 or multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Okay, so you can see here the 1111. Okay, this is odd place, this is odd place. The sum of odd place is what? 2. This is even place, this is even place. So sum of even place is also 2. Their difference is 0. So according to the duality test of 11 is difference of the odd place digits and the difference of the sum of odd place digit and sum of even place digit is 0 or multiple of 11. Okay, so you can see here 0, so this number is divisible by 11. Okay, so divide it 11 by 11. What the quotient? Quotient is 1. 11 in the 11, so here you obtain 0, and after this 11 in the 11. Okay, okay, this is not divisible by any number because this is a prime number, so 101 is prime number. Okay, clear? So also this method is used to find prime factors. Okay, 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. You can see here 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. Clear? So but here we use to find prime factors. Okay, this is called factor tree. Now we are going to solve question number 5. This is question number 5. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in the form of its prime factors. So what is the smallest 5-digit number? The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. We write 10,000 in the form of prime factors. Prime factors means we write 10,000 product of prime numbers. Okay, so we find it by factor tree, okay, or by prime factorization method. Both are correct method, okay, but here we use factor tree to find prime factor. Okay, here first we write the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, so the smallest 5-digit number. Number is equal to 10,000. How many zeros in 10,000? 4 0. Okay, now we write it in the form of factor, prime factor. Okay, so we use prime factor tree method. So first write here 10,000, 1 2 3 4 0. Okay, circle it. Which number is divide? 2, because unit place is 0. We divide it only prime number, so here 2 divided. So what is the quotient? Quotient is what? 5,000. Okay, clear? Okay, after this is 5,000. Here you can see unit place is also 2. 2 is a prime number because we find prime factors. Okay, so also we divide it 2. If we divide 5,000 by 2, we obtain here what? Which number? 2,500. Okay, 2,500 obtained. Clear? Now you can see here unit place is also 0, so we also divide it by 2. So if you divide 2,500 by 2, what is the quotient? Quotient is, you can see here 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, carry 1, 1 and 0 10, 2 5 are 10, and we bring 0 here. So we obtain what? 1,250. Clear? Now here unit digit is 0, so you divide by 2 also. Now we divide 2. This is a factor tree method. Okay, so we obtained, if you divide 1,250, so this is 6 times 6, 2 6 are 12, and 2 2 are 4, and 0 1 5. Okay, so this is, here you can see, if you divide 1,250 by 2, we obtain 625. Clear? Now here unit place is 5, so it is not divided by 2. Now we check divisible by 3. So sum of number 6 2 8 8 5 13. 13 is not divisible by 3, so this is not divisible by 3. Now next prime number is, first number prime number is 2, second is 3, third is 5 prime numbers. So at unit place 5, if any numbers unit digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So here you can see unit digit is 5, so this number is divisible by 5. If you divide this number by 5, okay, so what is quotient? We obtain 6, divide 5 1 are 5, after this we obtain 12, 5 2 are 10, after this we obtain 2, 2 and 5 25, 5 5 are 25. Clear? Now this is a 125. Now unit place is 5, so you divide by 5. If you want to check the divisibility test of 3 here, so first we find sum of digit So digit is 1 2 5. So sum of digit is 1 2 3 5 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, so this is not divisible by 3. Okay, so it is divisible by 5 because the unit place is 5. If any numbers the unit place is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. If we divide 125 by 5, we obtain 25. Okay, you can check by divide. Clear? Now this is also divisible by 5 because 5 5 is 25. Clear? We obtain here 5. So what are the prime factors of, oh my god, 10,000? How many 2? 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 and 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 times 5, 1 2 3 and 4. 4 times 5. So prime factorization of 1000 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. At last we write the prime factors of 10,000. Okay. The prime factors of 10,000. Okay, because this smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. So what is the prime factor of 10,000? How many times 2? You can see here 4 times 2. Okay, and 4 times 5. Clear? So prime factors of 10,000 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. How many times? 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is it. Clear? 5. Okay, this is the prime factor of 10,000. Okay, I hope all have understood. Let's see, this is our question number 5. Write the smallest 5 digit numbers and express it in the form of its prime factor. So you know that the smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. Here you can see we find the prime factors by factor tree. Clear? And in this way we find the prime factor of 10,000 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, thank you for watching.